Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today I want to show you what to do with all the embroidery thread that you have around your house. Nice, I love it. This is one of my personal journals, especially I made this around 2019, between 2019 and 2022, I'll say. So you'll see the videos in which I show you how to embellish your journal using a twig that I embellish using some appliques in crochet. I use more crochet here and then a charm. I have a B for bold, beautiful, and brave, many words, amazing positive words that start with the letter B. Then I have a key and then this little charm here. So this is very personal, but I want to show you what I did in these pages that using the embroidery thread. So the first thing I did was this here, and this is very easy to make. You just punch a hole. By the way, the materials you're going to be using are a punch, scissors, a lot of embroidery thread, and probably some beads that you have around if you want to make this one. So this is really fun, and you just go ahead here and I can do it with you. Let's choose one page that I can do that with you. And so what about if we choose this page that is about love? So let's start working with, probably I have here a lot of purple and pink and green, so I can start using the same colors. I'm pretty sure that if you are an artist, you're making your journals, if you are a common person who likes journaling and making scrapbooking and stuff, you will be doing this very fast. But anyway, I'm going to explain it just in case somebody has a doubt, or we can spend time together in here in my channel, right? So welcome again. I'm happy to have you in here. July is really going away super fast, which I don't like too much. But August is almost here, classes are almost here, so let's see what we're having for the second semester of this 2024. I hope everything goes fine. I hope everything is okay, right? So I choose these three colors like to match with that mandala I have there, and now I'm gonna fold it like so. I fold it in half, and I'm gonna punch the hole. The hole is gonna go, let me make sure that I don't have anything here. I had the September 2020, so I'm gonna go a little bit under that. I don't wanna do it exactly on the top because I have the date there. And so I fold the thread like so, and you're just gonna go from back to front, and you open your loop and insert the threads. So it's the same way that you use to make your tassels. And here is, I'm not gonna do it right now because this is really easy. So you just go ahead and you can pick two of the colors and insert a bead here, or you can do one by one. It's gonna depend on the size of the beads that you have. So here I did, like, let me show you, I did one by one. So I have as many numbers of thread, as many numbers of beads. So this is what I have, and now I'm gonna have another one. Another use for this embroidery thread I'm going to show you in a moment. I just want to tell you that this card is a card that I made to my mom, like to say thank you and honor her. So the video for the making of this card is going to be linked in here. Same way the video of this cover, the making of this cover, is going to be linked in here. So anytime you watch my videos, you know in here there's going to be links or directly related with what I'm doing in this video that comes from another video. So there, and then if we open it, this is just thread. And in order for this to work better, what I did was I cut two tiny pieces of here, like half of a centimeter. This is 5 millimeters here, here and there, so the thread can stay in place. You can use that even in vertical labels or folders like this one, or also in horizontal ones. So let's say that we want to do that in here. So what we're gonna do is you choose the colors you want. I will choose this pink, and you just go like so. You cut, and then you use the same thread to measure another one. So I'm gonna be using this blue, dark navy blue, because of that background there. So I'm just gonna go like so and measure the thread. So that's gonna be exactly the same. It's too bad that I don't have gold thread, because it'll be good if it goes with this gold here. But anyway, I'm gonna choose yellow just to give this a little bit of light, because the background is related with stars and, you know, success and happiness. Actually, this was a very, very nice book that the author dedicated to me. So yes, I'm gonna give this a little bit of color. So you go in the back like that, and if you don't want your thread to move, you're gonna do two tiny cuts, one on each side like that, and then you go inside here and here, you see, and then we're just gonna tie it and no. So we went inside and then we come here, and then we do, I'm gonna do a little ball. I guess it's gonna look super fun. Let me tie it a little bit more. And that is the second way you can embellish using embroidery thread. So that's that one, I love it. And that's the other one here. You see, you cross it and you have it there. Now I have a third idea. This is gonna be 1, 2, and 3 holes. All right, 3 holes, and then you're gonna pick the colors you like, the colors you prefer, and we're gonna work in here. So in this case, I want blue, and this is gonna be a long piece of thread, because we're gonna be working with, so we measure probably 3 times the length of the page, 3 times, and then we are going to have probably some pink also. I have the second pink, and got here, and then I have I need blue, so blue is here, and 6 of them, 2 of each color, to make our braid. So here we go. Now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside the hole, and I'm going to come back from the upper part. So as you can see here, I'm just going inside, and then make sure that you have 6 and 6 on both sides, and then you go like so, right? And you come down. You choose 4 of each one, right? Because we're double them. So we have 4 pinks. The result is really amazing. You're gonna love it, and it's a very nice detail. I haven't seen it too much on the internet. I was like trying to make something new, something different, but as I said, I used this in a journal for a girl about unicorns and stuff, so it was really nice. And by the way, I'm gonna link the video of that journal up here, so you can have it, you can take a look. In one of the pages I did something similar to this. Is always a variation, and I want you to take a look at that. Now we're gonna start doing our braid. That's nothing difficult. You can just start braiding your embroidery thread like so. Of course, in this position, probably it's not the best one, but I'm gonna stand up so I can work more comfortable. And there we go. So making my braid, as you can see, it looks really, really nice. I love it. The distance here is the same as my braid. So what I'm going to do here is I make a knot like so, making sure that the braid is gonna stay in place, and I go with my embroidery thread all the way down with all of them. You see? You'll see. This is super cool. There we have. So the knot is gonna go down, and then you're gonna embellish this page too. You see? You embellish in that page because then you're gonna see that coming out from there. But at the same time, this is easy and you're embellishing your journal with something really different. Actually, the 3 colors of the braid are super nice. They look super cute. And that's what we have. I should be gluing this to my desk because it doesn't stop moving. And as you can see, I keep a lot of memories in this journal. It was a good time of my life. I used to have a very, very nice job with very special people, you know, and then you never forget when you have special times in your life. And so that's why probably I have so much, not attachment, but so much sentiment for this journal especially. The braid is here. Let me show you with my fingers. You can see better. So this way you can see it a lot better. You see, braid is there. So I pull it down there, making sure that I have the same direction. I want it to be flat. And now I'm ready to do my knot here. So, okay, so I need to go very close. Also, you can do a double knot, so you can make sure that this is not gonna pass through the paper onto the other part, the back of the journal, the back page. Okay, so this is what I have. So let me know in the comments how much do you like this idea, and what are we gonna do with this long tail. There are more possibilities. I can do another hole here and then braid a segment that goes here and then go back there, or I can just leave it like so and do a little tassel here. Like if I go and I do it 3 times and then I hold it, why don't we try that? I write a lot of poems and stuff, so probably one day I'm going to read some of them to you. So alright, so I go here. I guess I need to cut this. It's gonna be more easy. So I'm gonna cut, and then I'm gonna come back here so I have all the threads together. Yes, and now we're gonna do the second part. So that would be going around with your thread like so. You cross it and then you hold it, right? So I have it there, there. And then do double knot, and then we go all the way down, and we can go around as many times as you like. Here we can have 2 more. Now it's easier because we feel more safe in the process. And also we can go around with the other one. They're always going to be in the opposite direction. So, and that is important. Why? Because then when you finish, when your thread is really short, it's ready to encounter the other one, and then you do the final knot. See there, one. I'm gonna do the second one, I'm gonna do the third one. All right, now we're gonna cut this, and of course we're going to go here and make this look more like a tassel. So I need to cut that, and then I need to cut this the same size. All the things, I still have one to cut. And then let's comb them a little bit. Yeah, they're perfect. I don't think I have to cut anything, only one here. Right. Okay, so that is the final touch. And as you can see, we just finished this amazing detail for our journal. So we have a braid coming out from the top, going into this page, and then getting into the back page, and then we have it here. Let me do it with a ruler so you can see we have the braid here, you see. So I hope that this video brings you a lot of inspiration. Also, you can give your journal a lot of color, a lot of details, and of course, if you like it, if you enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel. You know that I'm trying to upload videos every day with new ideas, with fantastic resources, sometimes only free stuff that you can just grab from somewhere and start making your own journals. And always remember that I'm gonna leave a link over here. If I'm talking about these embellishment, you're gonna have it there. If I'm talking about the braids or anything else that I've been developing in a previous video, you can always click at the link in here. So stay tuned, share this video, leave me a comment. Are you gonna try making your braids in your pages of your journal? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this idea? And please don't go away without subscribing here to my channel. Hit this link. Exactly. Okay, I'll see you soon, my friends. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a good time that I share with you with all my ideas and projects. I see you in my next episode. Bye bye. Bye, friends. Thank you.